Hey everybody, quick video today. Updating or fixing my Ryobi Inflator deflator. This is model P731. This is the older one. The newer ones are skinnier and taller, but I think still the same part number. On mine, the problem is the valve chuck has gone bad. Ran it over too many times. It leaks now, and it doesn't quite pinch on. So if you want to upgrade or fix it, so these are actually crimped on. So you can't just unscrew it and put a replacement on. You actually have to cut it off. So I cut it off. And what you'll need is one of these barbed end fittings. So this is a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch. So 1/4 inch barb to 1/4 inch MIP or to fit on the new tire chuck. This is the tire chuck I ordered off Amazon. It comes as a 2-pack. And these are their lock-on chucks. So there's a little nail or fingernail type clamp on there. As you pinch it and release it, it locks down. Sorry, it won't focus, but it's basically hands-free. Clamp it onto your valve stem, let go, and let it do its thing. And then the other piece you'll need is just a hose clamp. So cut it off, hose clamp to your adapter, your barbed adapter, little Teflon tape, and then now your new hose chuck. Quick tip on this one is make sure the O-ring is inside. Both of mine in this box came as a 2-pack. Both the O-rings were just flopping around here because from moving around, they just fell out. So make sure you do have that black O-ring in there before you install it. But there you go, updating or fixing these clamp-on style air chucks where you can't do anything with them once they're damaged. But just chop them off, put an adapter on, and there you go. Thanks, guys.